Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, we will discuss about the introduction of databases, nucleic acid and the databases. What is the biological databases? Need for the storing, communicating large databases has grown. Make biological data available for the scientists and to make biological data available in the computer readable form. Different classification of databases, type of database, nucleotide sequence, protein sequence pattern or motifs, macromolecule 3D structure, gene expression data, metabolic pathways, different classification of databases. Primary or derived databases. Primary databases experimentally result directly into the base databases. Secondary databases resulted for the analysis of the primary databases. Aggregate for the many databases linked to the other databases items. Combination of the data, consolidated of the data. Different classification of databases: technically designed flat files, relational databases, exchange publication technology which is called FTP, HTML, XML. Different classification of databases is availability: publicly available, no restriction, available but with copyright, accessible but not downloadable, academic but not freely available, proprietary, commercial, possibly free for the academics. Where do we get databases from the internet? So we can get the molecular biology, like they are showing some kind of papers. You can get some papers from the databases. And nucleic acid research, you can go through the sites and you can get nucleic acid sequences databases, RNA sequences databases. Nucleoside sequences databases are the EMBL, GenBank, DDBJ are three primary nucleotide sequence databases. Here is the link showing, you can go through and get the data from these links. GenBank, an annotated collection of the all publicly available nucleotides and the proteins, set up into 1979 at the LANL Los Alamos, maintained since 1992 the NCBI. Here is the showing the NCBI with you can collect your whole genome and databases from the GenBank. EMBL, an annotated collection of the all publicly available nucleotides and the protein sequences created in the 1918 as at the European Molecular Biology Laboratory in the Hallsberg, and the maintained since 1994 by the EBI Cambridge. Here is the showing EMBL, European Bioinformatics Institute. You can collect your data, nucleotide sequence data from the here. DDBJ, DNA Data Bank of Japan, an annotated collection of the all publicly available nucleotide and the protein sequences, started in 1984 at the National Institute of the Genetics in the Mishima. Still maintained in the institute a team led by the, is showing the DNA data bank Japan side. You can collect the data DNA data from this sites. Other NCBI nucleic acid databases are collected from the EST databases, GSS databases, homologene databases, HTG databases, SNP databases, REF sequences, STS databases, UniSTS databases, Unigene databases. Sequence submission, data mainly directed submission from the author, submission through the internet, web form, email, or the sequence shared exchange between the three centers on the daily basis, which is DDBJ, GenBank, or the EMBL. Drive databases from these sites, codon usage databases, you can collect the gene databases, trigger genome databases, you can collect the Unigene databases as I told you in previous list, nucleic acid databases from the NDB, NTDB, RNA based DNA, code structure classification databases of the RNA. So databases searching tips are the look the help of the example, try the Boolean research searchers, and be careful of the UK and US spelling differences, leukemia versus leukemia, and the hemoglobin versus hemoglobin, color versus color. So this is all about the databases and different kinds of databases, and the bioinformatic database and the nucleic acid database. I hope you are satisfied. Thank you.